Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain how to duplicate motion titles and templates. Let's begin! Let's start! Many people want to reuse a motion title once created. In this article, we will introduce two methods, a method to duplicate a motion title and a method to create a template. When duplicating a title with keyframes, changing the duration causes the keyframes to shift. So let's set up the intro and outro to secure the keyframe. When you set the intro or outro, the color of the set part becomes gray. The same applies to clips on the timeline. After setting the intro and outro and fixing the keyframe, it is actually duplicated. You can duplicate the essential graphics by holding down the Alt key while dragging. Try changing the position and scale of the duplicated title. If you want to change the whole thing, let's make a change from vector motion in the Effect Control panel. The adjusted position and scale from vector motion change the text replacement. Now you can duplicate the motion title. Next, let's make your own motion title a template. Right-click the clip you want to template. Select Export as Motion Graphics Template. Give it a descriptive name. Click OK. Now you can use the motion title as a template. Now let's load the templated motion title. Select Reference and My Template from the Essential Graph. Find the template you just created by typing it into the search box. Let's drag and drop it into the Timeline panel. Now you can duplicate the motion title and create a template. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.